और भाई कैसे हो? तो चलिए सोल्व करते हैं कल वाला लेट कोड कॉन्टेस्ट। ओके, 5 और 10। कल लाइव वर्चुअल कॉन्टेस्ट के दिया था मैंने, तो मैंने 3 सोल्व कर लिए थे, फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड फोर्थ। थर्ड वन तो भाई क्वेश्चन था भाई वो, उसका मैंने बाद में हिंट्स देख रहा था। सो इट्स लाइक कि only 4 things are possible. You have to drive the patterns first, then you have to drive the answer. It's a good thing, but I think that's for the chat GPTs and everything, that is not for us to solve. Okay, so I recorded the live coding part there, but I'll do the explanation now. So let's see what do we know. Let's start with the first question. First question is number of elapsed second between two times. Okay, so we have given start time, we have given end time, and we have to tell the right number of seconds between them, right? We have two things, start time, end time. This is the format. So length equals to, right, 8. Okay, so we have the length 8. So what we are going to do? Okay, so we just have to tell the elapsed seconds. So now just let's take example and see. So let's say I have 742. Okay, let's take the one that is given. Mm, let's take the second one out. 12, 34, 56. Okay, what is this? Dismiss error. Okay, so this is the my start time. End time is what? Right? 13:00:00. Okay. So let's see. How many hours has passed between them? No hours, right? 12 to 13. It's just the next hour. There's no hour that has been logged. Okay, so we'll find three things, right? First, right? Contribution by first hour, second minutes, third is seconds. And in the end, we are going to do a total of them. So what is the contribution by hour and, right? Start and minus 1, right? There's no hour that has been passed. So we'll do end minus start minus 1. Multiply how many minutes? Multiply how many seconds? 60. So just think like, right? If there is 12 and 2, right? So how many hours has passed? Right? 1 has completely passed and 2 just started. So if we do 12 minus 2, how many hours has passed between this, right? 1 hour. Completely passed, right? So this is for completely passed. Minutes we are going to take a look. The same way we did for hour and right, we can do for minutes and right, but the catch is, right. Let's see. This is right. Start from 12:34. Next starts from just 13, right? So how many minutes has passed, right? Right. The 60 minus this one, right? So I do 60 minus 34. Now one more thing, right? This is the second end, right? These minutes are not from 34:00, right? So there are few seconds. So we will going to do minus 1, right? So which is what? 60 minus start minus 1. Start is the start minute end only. Okay. Multiply by, right? We have to do one more thing, right? Plus how many minutes have passed in end time? So right now it's 0, but if the example, let's say it's say 13, 10, 45, how many minutes has passed? 10 minutes, right? So right, we will do start time and time of minutes. And for this entire, we will going to do it by 60. Now how many seconds? Seconds are simple, right? 60 minus this one, right? 60 minus second of start. Okay. Plus what? How many seconds has passed here? Right? Whatever the seconds, right? And seconds. So yes, this is your answer. So answer equals to, right, hour of end minus hour of start minus 1, multiply 60 plus what? Minute of end. Okay. 60 minus minute of end minus 1, minute of start. Okay. Plus, right, minute of end. Multiply by 60 plus what? Contribution by seconds, right? So that is 60 minus, right, seconds of start, right, plus what? Seconds of end time, right? So this is your answer. This total length, right, equals to 8. So you can convert these things, right? This 12, 34, 56 to, I think, numbers first. So if you are using C++, you can use stoi, right? Then what? S dot sub str start index comma length. So you can use this one. Okay, then. Yep. So okay, चलिए शुरू करते हैं virtual contest. Okay. Hmm, let's go. Start practice. Join now. So I'll upload the video explanation later. Let's see this question. Okay, what we are given, right? You are going to valid string start time and time which represents a string in the format HHMMSS. Return the number of seconds, right? So we are given, right? Start time and time, right? And return number of elapsed seconds. Okay, I'm going to do in CPP now. I do contest in C++. For practice, I do in Java. So first, let's get hour and minutes first for each. And we write he what, right? And time dot. What is t of right? And time dot some mistake. Add substring what 0 to 2. That's right. What do you start time? And 0 to 2. This is the like hour we need for same for minute and we need same for second. I'll say minute and I'll say start and right. Minute start, second start. So minutes starts from which index? 3 index, right? So minute starts from 3 index. Second starts from which index? 6 index. Okay. Now contribution, right? We'll do one on so equals to 0 and right. We have to find contribution by each, right? Answer. How many hours will contribute, right? Minus 1 because the current hour difference will not contribute. 60 minutes and 60 seconds, right? Contribute by minutes, right? How much minutes are going to contribute? Let's say I'm at 24, right? So that is right. 60 minus what? Start minus 1 because the current will not contribute. Then what? End. The end will contribute entirely, I think. By second, right? Answer plus equals to what? How many seconds, right? Minutes, seconds, right? Seconds of end plus 60 minus second of start. Return answer. What do we have now? And time don't Sebastian. It said, right? We don't have any Sebastian. Okay. Let's 25 was supposed to be 1 second one was 1504. Okay, let's submit. Yes. Yup, 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 yup.